Alright, so my last video was over adding, subtracting with common denominators. When you're looking at these two fractions, you can first tell that they do not have a common denominator. So we have to create one. The method that I use is called straight across, crisscross. Maybe that's how you spell that. I don't know. We'll go with it though. Okay, straight across, crisscross. Here's what I mean by that. The straight across is help us find a common denominator. So we're going to go straight across on the bottom. And we're multiplying here. So that's 2 times m minus 4. That's the straight across piece. The two pieces on the bottom, multiply them together, that becomes your common denominator. You do not need to distribute it out. You don't need to FOIL. You don't need to do anything. Just leave it alone. Now the crisscross. They crisscross. The 2 goes up with the m plus 2. The m minus 4 goes over to that side. Now, we have a common denominator. So let's simplify the tops. Distribute the 2. 2m plus 4. 3m squared minus 12m. Again, just distributing. The denominator stays the same. We're not going to be working with it anymore. Leave it alone. And now it's just combining like terms. So the 2 times m minus 4 stays on the bottom. So we have 2m plus 4 plus 3m squared. Positive and a negative make a negative, minus 12m. And finally, our answer, the 2 times m minus 4 stays on bottom. Combine like terms on the top. So you get 3m squared. 2m and negative 12m make negative 10m plus 4. So that would be your final solution. So straight across, crisscross. Let's look at one that might be a little bit more challenging. So 5x over x minus 1 minus 3 over x minus 3. All right, straight across, crisscross, straight across piece, straight across the bottom. X minus 1, x minus 3, x minus 1, x minus 3. Found a common denominator. Crisscross. This goes over there, this goes over there. 5x times x minus 3. 3 times x minus 1. Okay? Distribute it out across the top right here. You end up with 5x squared minus 15x. Denominator stays the same. Notice I'm not doing anything with that minus sign in the middle. I will deal with it at the end. Distribute out right here. 3x minus 3. Now, finally, denominator stays the same. 5x squared minus 15x. Distribute the negative now. So minus 3x plus 3. Combine like terms. Denominator stays the same. 5x squared has no like term. Negative 15x, negative 3x make a negative 18x. Then plus 3. So, what do we do whenever we have two fractions? We're trying to add them or subtract them, and we don't have a common denominator. Crisscross, straight across. All right? If you have any questions, let me know.